Hello, traders. Gary Wagner here. Just after 1 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York. It is Monday, 24th day of May, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We had a moderate move in gold today, gaining approximately $5. We'll talk about that when we pull up our charts. And copper closed up by about 1.25% and is higher as it trades in Australia. We'll explain that all during the show, which begins now. Traders, gold is currently fixed at $1,881.60 after factoring in today's increase of $4.90. That's a gain of 0.26%. But much of that gain can be directly attributable to dollar weakness, which was down 0.2% and is currently fixed at 89.25. This first chart that we are looking at is a simple area chart of gold fixed upon the close only. In it, I have one basic Fibonacci retracement. It begins from these peaks that come in around 1960 down to the double bottom, which first occurred on March 8th, and then again at the end of March. What this clearly shows is that our first level of minor resistance occurs at 1889. That is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. And then, of course, at that key psychological level, 1900, with major resistance occurring at these two tops here, which is where we started our fib retracement, that come in at approximately $1,954. This second chart that we are looking at is a daily gold chart, only it is in Heikin-Ashi or Japanese average format. Disregard this small candle here, as trading has just opened up in Australia, and that's what this candle is reflecting. However, although it seems as though over the last 3 trading days, the trend itself has lost a little bit of steam, we still are getting green candles. In the case of the last 2 trading days, meaning Friday and Monday, there is the absence of an upper wick, which is a strong indication that the trend is still intact. This last chart that we are looking at is a standard candlestick chart in gold. We do have our fib retracements. This is from a much longer data set, along with 3 moving averages. The dashed yellow line represents a simple 200-day moving average, and also what we believe to be the current level of support at $1,849.20. That also corresponds pretty closely to the fib retracement, which comes in at 1843. That would be this band here. We are putting major support in this area between 1843 and 1848. Traders, maintain your current long position in gold, maintain your current stop. Solid gains in copper today, gaining 1.16%, a total of about 5 cents in terms of the gain, and is currently fixed at $4.53 per pound. Copper did have a solid move today, and as trading moved into Australia, is up another 0.25%. This first chart that we are looking at is a simple area chart, as we did with gold, and we've got 2 price points noted. First of all, the former highest monthly close that we had on record, which came in at $4.49, and then the all-time former record high. What I find interesting about this chart is if you notice where it came down to, and this is why we thought we would find support in this area, this is the highest monthly close that we had on record prior to the market moving up to these new all-time highs that are coming in on a closing basis at about $4.75. And traders, lastly, a standard candlestick chart of copper futures. This, of course, is basis the July contract, the most active contract the month we are trading in. These lines represent our entry price of our trade, and you can see we are just below that entry price as well as our current stop. You can also see that the move today did have lows that came below yesterday's low, but it closed in positive territory and continues to move higher. It is for that reason that I'm recommending that you maintain your current long position in copper as well as your current stop. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for your next daily update and review. Bye-bye.